Hey, hello. Who is this?
O'Shawn Williams.
Hey,
Comes on the break.
if you stuck up in your ways, you gon' fall, son.
Can they spark a run? Can they get back-to-back buckets? Nice ball movement. Williams from deep.
Hey, I swear to God, I can stop rapping now.
But what you think? I can take the clean route on G, though they talk down on Rich, now I can hit home. Fresh up out of cell block and fill up a
O'Shawn Williams for three, got it!
Get your face blown.
Transition.
I'm smart on Doge, I pull a rollin'. Know that I pick Poland, pull us over, get rid of it. Motherfucking shows, I ain't leaving my home, I'm really rich. And I'm so caught up in my ways, I tend to all it. All 750 from the bank and they say goddamn. I ain't gotta walk and I just call they know who I am. Click on Instagram and go to tweak and seem like God spam. So many places around this who don't like what I'm saying. Swerving in that lounge with that gang, we all two-toed. You start the shit on don't end it with them tools blowing. I was tryna buy a soul, but my bro stole it. Swipe so much into your rig, I think my card told. Yeah, your lingo, how you bumming? I'ma post a tray on 38, I hear you coming. Probably got my stick out with a big stack of honeys. Better have your stick out, we let 6 off when you turn it. How you get them cars and all that jewelry? I don't know. How you spend that money and still got millions? I don't know. How you got all them then don't want one? I don't know. Why you acting slow? Let your palm blow. Hey, why you being so stiff with everybody? I don't know. Hey, why you feel like all these like? I don't know. Hey, I really do know, but I really don't know. But I don't know.
Hydrated himself well, so we don't run into that again tonight.
Good help side B from O'Shawn Williams. Coast to coast, way in, clutch to foul. Bound from O'Shawn Williams. In transition, he finishes off glass.
And that was
Don't want nominated top, I don't want no. I'm from the shoes, I got that guap. This shit I'm blessed for. This shit around my wrist, so get your pop or get your stepped on. But on the end, I don't get that less than 150. But how you get them cars and all that jewelry? I don't know. How you spend that money and still got millions? I don't know. How you got all them then don't want one? I don't know. Why you acting slow? Let your palm take the clean route on G, though they talk down on Rich, now I can hit home. Fresh up out of cell block and fill up a arena. I'm turned up, you try and get your face blown.